In this tutorial, we're going to create a beautiful mask text transition effect like you seen at the very beginning of this video. This is a updated video, and I felt I had to share it with you to show you how to create it easier. I found a new way now to create this even easier, and I felt that I had to share it with you guys to show you how to do it even easier, faster, and easier. So follow along with me. So drag your video clip to the first track and insert 2 new video tracks. Go to Media Generators, select Titles and Text, drag that to the second track. We call it Vacation. Now, thick fonts work well with this. So grab one, a nice thick one. So I'm going to grab Impact. And don't use the font size to increase the text or the size of the text. Use scale, because what will happen is you'll get jagged edges. So we'll use scale to drag it up right about there. It's good. Now on the second track, go to compositing mode. Select the multiply mask. I think it's a little shorter. Now go to Event Pan and Crop. So we'll start this video right here. We'll let it be static for a second or two. And we'll start there. So put a keyframe there. And drag this cursor right to the very end, as far as it can go. Now drag this into one of the fonts. This one's going to go into the A, all the way into the A, so it disappears. The bottom track, at the end of your text, hit the S key to split it, and drag it to the top above the text. Because what happens is multiply mask, this is a multiply mask now, multiply mask affects the lower track, and if I would have kept it down there, it would be playing all black. And in the video I did before this, I used a mute envelope, and that worked, but it's just more time consuming. This works better, so we'll play it back. And it plays perfectly. So this is the last time I'm going to be doing any work from this video. This has been worked over enough. I just felt I had to share it with you to show you the easier way to create this effect. And the previous ways worked, but they're more time consuming. This is a lot quicker, and you get the same results, and it's really, really quick. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.